Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring and draw alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, first we are using the color of blue. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. And first we are coloring the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. The next one is numbers. First we are coloring the number of 1. O-N-E 1. And the next one is 2. T-W-O. The next one is 3. The number of 3. T-H-R-E-E. Kids, the next one is 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Now we are using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we are coloring number 4. The next one is 5. F-I-V-E 5. Now we are coloring 2D shapes. First we are coloring triangle. Kids, now we are using the color of green and coloring triangle. And the next one is circle. And the next one is heart, the shape of heart. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we are using the color of red. Now we are using the color of red and coloring the shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. We are again using red color. And the next one is square. Thank you so much for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are drawing and coloring alphabets. First we are using the color of black. And first we are coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, F for fan. And the next one is G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. And K for kite. L for lemon. Kids, subscribe to our channel. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, subscribe to our channel. O for octopus. P for penguin. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now we draw and coloring Q. And the next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun, S for snack. The next one is T, the alphabet of T. And the next one is U, U for umbrella. V for vanilla. W, W for watch. And the next one is X, X for Xmas tree, and Y for yolk. The last one is Z, Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching.